Guys, so here I am trying to work on my 95 Honda Civic. It's got a GSR head with a B18 B1 block. I'm turboing it, putting a 62mm turbo, doing eBay kit. Turbo is also from eBay too. I'm doing this just to prove a point that they've come a long ways and that you can do it and have fun. I mean, it's kind of like my version budget build. I've been doing this for a little while now, and the reason I'm doing that is because my H22 setup fuel rail won't work. So I'm going to take this off. Take a 12mm. There's 4 of them. So I took that off, so I get up under here to these bolts. Look at all that nastiness. I got most of the piping done. The piping that's right here, I gotta finish when I put the turbo on. Finish doing some bolts. Gotta do an oil pan gasket, gotta tap the oil pan. Let's see. Gonna finish doing the tune-up. Wastegate blow off. Do the injectors. And a few vacuum lines, and then do the 450 Walboro fuel pump and start it. That's where we're at. So basically what was going on, just trying to make a short video, try to get onto this YouTube thing, document what I'm doing. The channel is Babyface Motorsports. It's my race team. I got a bunch of guys. SRT4, Evo, got a GSR hatch. We got an Infinity. Let's see. We got, what is that? The Scion BRZ. I'm not sure. I'm not too familiar with those. Really clean. Got some show cars. Got a GSR hatch. You know, there's a bunch of things we got going that's going to be on the channel. Try to show what I can. Like I said, it's just a quick little video of what I was doing. I forgot to film a lot. In the next couple days, I'll come up with another video and show you. I put another intercooler on instead to redo the piping. The turbo was put on, but I took it off because this hurricane, it's coming. It's raining like crazy. But I'm going to try to put a couple videos a week. Realistically, maybe one. I'm hoping to have this done within the next month. And we'll see what goes on. Stay tuned. Thank you.